Looking at the supplemental decal set for the AMT Runabout by HDAmodelworx. New additions are the RCS Thrusters and the orange markings below the windows, markings above the warp engine, and supplemental pennants and registries. One item to be aware of, these decals need to be manually cut out. I prefer to use a number 11 X-Acto knife. For the RCS thrusters on the weapon cell, you have the upper and lower, and the ones that go on the edge, as well as two extras provided by HDAmodelworx. Once cut out, dip them in warm water and then allow them to rest on a paper towel momentarily before applying them to the surface of your model. It helps to apply a dab of water to the surface. Here you'll want to use a Q-tip and roll it across the surface of the decal to set it. A paper towel could cause it to move. Then you want to apply some microsol to the surface with a brush, and that will help set and lock the decal and have a good, nice, strong bond. With the rear RCS, follow the same procedures for releasing the decal from the backing. Place it on the hull, slide it around to get the proper positioning for it. Here you can use paper towel to get rid of excess moisture. Apply microsol, and there you have it. You've applied the decals.